Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemophilic. Today I have come up with a new video where we will discuss Woodward-Fisher rules for calculating absorption maximum in dienes. I will explain these rules along with your previous year question paper. First, let us know some double bonds in conjugation. First come alicyclic dienes, which will include butadiene system. Nextly come homoannular conjugated double bonds, where the double bonds will be present in the same ring. Then comes heteroannular conjugated double bonds, where the double bonds will be present in different rings, like see here homoannular diene, double bonds in the same ring, here double bonds in the different rings. This is heteroannular diene. Nextly comes the exocyclic and endocyclic conjugated double bond. We will understand it from this example. This is the exocyclic double bond to this ring, and this is endocyclic inside the ring, and this is exocyclic double bond to ring A. Here are some important parent values for different types of diene and systems that will help us to solve our examples. Please note it down. Parent value for butadiene system 217 millimicron. Please note everything here that is written here. Homoannular conjugated diene 253 millimicron, heteroannular conjugated diene 215 millimicron, and increment for each substituent like alkyl substituent or ring residue we will give 5 millimicron, exocyclic double bond 5 millimicron, double bond extending conjugation 30 millimicron, for alpha beta unsaturated ketone 215 millimicron, alkyl substituent in alpha position will get 10 millimicron and beta position 12 millimicron and gamma position 18 millimicron. Please note it down. You will also get in different types of books. Now directly we are moving forward to some previous year questions. 2015 this question was there. As you see very well, this is a homoannular conjugated diene. Double bonds are in the same ring. So the parent value we have noted 253 millimicron. Please note carefully, here are 3 ring residues. So we have taken increment, we know for ring residue is 5 millimicron. So we have noted. Here is one exocyclic double bond also. See, this is the exocyclic double bond. So we have also taken for that. Now we will calculate the total value. There was one more question. It was this. As you know very well, this is alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So we have taken the increment as 215 millimicron. Here you see there are 2 alkyl substituent as well. So we have taken that, and you see that, note that it is in the beta position. As we have learned that in beta position we will take 12 millimicron. Therefore, here comes the total. This was a question in 2016 paper. This is a butadiene system. See 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is double bond here, double bond here, it is in conjugation, it is a butadiene system. That is why we have taken 217 millimicron. Here are 2 alkyl substituents here, see 2 alkyl substituents. So we have taken this, and 2 ring residues as well, 2 ring residues as well. Therefore, we have taken 10 millimicron and 1 exocyclic double bond as well. For this ring, this is the exocyclic double bond. Therefore, we have taken 5 millimicron, and here is the total. This is another example from 2017 paper. It is a heteroannular diene, as the double bonds are in different rings. 2 exocyclic double bonds are there. For this ring, this is exocyclic double bond. For this ring, this is exocyclic double bond. So we have taken this. Here there are 2 ring residues. There are 2 ring residues. Therefore, we have taken 2 into 5. This is the total absorption maximum. Let us see an additional example. The basic value here is 217 millimicron. As you see, this is the butadiene system. That is why here there are 2 ring residue. Therefore, we have taken this 2 exocyclic double bond as well. Therefore, this one, and it is a 1 bicyclic system. It have 1 bicyclic system. You have seen this. For this, we have taken 15 millimicron. This is one additional information that I have not given in the previous values. Please note this well. If you get like this type of bicyclic system, you will add 15 millimicron additionally. So here we get this one. See one more additional example. This we will take as homoannular diene. Please note here as there are heteroannular diene also, but we will take homoannular when the both heteroannular and homoannular is present. Okay, here are 4 ring residues, therefore we have taken this one, and 2 exocyclic double bond as well. For this ring, this is the exocyclic double bond, for this ring this is the exocyclic double bond, and 1 double bond extending conjugation. So what is this? We have taken this one, this is our parent ring, isn't it, homoannular. So 1 additional double bond is present, therefore we have taken 1 double bond extending conjugation 30 millimicron, and this is the total. So here I will end the video. Thank you for